telling me you haven't even passed your CBT yet? Well... yeah, maybe. You're telling me that you've built this bike over a year and a half and you haven't even got a bike license? You can't even ride it yet? Hey, calm down, don't worry. I'm going to be doing it very soon. You need to do it. Do it now. Yes, I know, don't worry. What is wrong with you? I've got it booked in, don't worry, I'll be riding this bike very soon. I'm still waiting on the logbook for it anyway, so this bike isn't allowed to be on the road just yet, but very soon I'll be riding it, don't worry. Calm down, calm you down. Right, you need to do it or I'm gone. Hello and welcome back to another CB125 video. So this video is going to be a continuation of what's to come with the channel. There's so much I want to talk to you about. Firstly, I want to say thank you to everyone I spoke to at the show and everyone that came and had a look at the bike. I really appreciate it. It's given me so much motivation to do another bike. Yes, I'm going to be doing another bike. But before we even touch that subject, I want to get this one running and get this one on the road. As you saw at the start of the video, we writ out a new list because there's a few things left we need to do to make this bike roadworthy. But they're all little things. We should be having this bike very soon on the road. Once I've passed my CBT, of course. Yes, that's right guys, I built this bike without having a CBT. The last time I took my CBT was 10 years ago and that was when I had a scooter. So I need to retake it so I can ride this bike. I've got it booked in and I'm really excited. So you can see on the list there's only a handful of things I need to do. Someone actually messed with the throttle cable at the show and I don't know what happened, but it kind of went a bit sloppy and it's just not working, so I need to have a look at that. The tank, because we were in such a rush to get the tank and everything ready, there was body shop dust and everything in the tank and we weren't allowed to have fuel actually in the tank while we were in it at the show. The battery's gone a bit flat because we haven't charged it and done anything since before the show, and also the carb does need adjusting because of the exhaust we put on. It might need a new jet, but we're going to just try and set it up for now so it runs a bit better. Can you see that? That's right guys, the bike is now taxed. A little story behind this bike, as you know it's 1977 and the last time this bike was illegally on the road was in 1983. Before I got the bike taxed, I had a quick look online and that's 35 years ago. So this bike hasn't seen the road in 35 years. So this makes me more motivated and more proud to have this little bike back on the road after such a long time. It deserves it. It deserves to be enjoyed and ridden properly on the road. But anyway, we are going to do a few of those jobs today that's on the list and get this bike in a much more usable state. I will spoil it now guys, the bike won't be running or ridden in this video, but we won't be far off. This is just an update and I'll have some more things I'd like to update with you as well, so stay tuned, keep watching, it'll be worth it. So now we've got these few things done, I want to talk to you about the progression of this channel and what is to come. You all want it, you all want to see it. You want to see moto vlogs. I've been told countless times people wanting to hear the bike, to see me riding, to do some moto vlogs, and I will be doing all of that just as soon as I've got my CBT passed. So you can expect these sort of videos very soon. I'm going to try and make some really nice cinematic riding videos. So please stay tuned. Now the other thing I want to mention is With the way this channel has grown so quickly and so many of you guys showing me so much support for what I've done here, it would be silly for me to not build another bike. I definitely want to be looking at bigger bikes, and I want to leave it to you guys to let me know what you think I should build next. So please comment in the description, what do you think the ideal bike would be? As you remember, this bike was a spares repair project, and that will probably be what I'll be looking for again. Something that needs building from the ground up, and I want to make it. I basically want to put all this effort and all my knowledge that I've learned from this bike into something a bit more substantial. Yes, I will be doing my bike test. Yes, I will be building for the foreseeable future, and I hope you guys stick around for them. Saying that, we are quickly heading towards the 10,000 subscriber mark, and I want to do something special. I want to do a giveaway for you guys to say thank you. As some of you know, I have started a brand called Cafe Club. Got my own merchandise for the channel, which helps support me, helps me make this brand grow and this channel grow. Probably going to be doing a giveaway of some clothing and some other bits and bobs. So all I'm going to say is please subscribe if you haven't already. It'd massively help me out. Like this video because that will help. It helps this channel grow more than you know. I just want to let you guys know that we are only just beginning, so stay tuned. But anyway guys, as soon as this bike is running and we are able to, I will be taking it out the road and I will be taking you guys along with me. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace. Really? Wow, what am I doing? Yeah. This side which is actually me, this is more difficult. Hey, calm down, don't worry, calm down, don't worry. Hey, calm down, don't worry. I'm going to be doing it very soon. Yes, I know, don't worry.